Welcome, elevators. It's time to elevate. Finally, the time has arrived. We stand on the precipice of a celestial spectacle, the American Alpha Omega Total Solar Eclipse, the handwriting of God, due to grace our skies in just a few hours from now, April 8, 2024. The universe is setting the stage for a cosmic drama that's as ancient as the stars themselves. As we stand on this threshold, the air is thick with anticipation, and the excitement is palpable. A total solar eclipse, a phenomenon that has intrigued humanity since time immemorial, is about to unfold. This marvel occurs when the moon, in its consistent orbit around our planet, perfectly aligns itself between the Earth and the Sun. This alignment is not a mere coincidence, but a result of the moon's precise orbital dynamics. It's a testament to the intricate balance of our celestial neighborhood. The moon, despite being roughly 400 times smaller than the Sun, manages to eclipse it completely. It's all thanks to an incredible cosmic coincidence. The Sun is about 400 times farther from us than the moon. This perfect alignment allows the moon to cast a shadow over a specific region on Earth, creating a path of totality. Within this path, day turns into night, and the Sun's elusive corona, its outermost layer, becomes visible to the naked eye. This total solar eclipse is more than just a spectacle. It presents a unique opportunity for scientists to study the Sun's corona, gaining insights into solar flares and other phenomena that directly impact our planet. This understanding aids us in protecting our technological infrastructure from solar flares, improving our grasp of solar dynamics, and furthering our knowledge of the universe. As we stand in the shadow of the moon, we are reminded of the grandeur of our universe and our place within it. This celestial event, a dance of celestial bodies, is a humbling reminder of our cosmic journey as a species. It's a testament to the miracles of the universe, the intricate cosmic ballet that allows life to flourish on this pale blue dot we call home. The moon, in its perfect orbit, is the key player in this grand performance. It's a cosmic dance partner to our Earth, locked in a celestial tango that's been in motion for billions of years. The moon's orbital path around us, an ellipse rather than a perfect circle, is just at the right distance to perfectly cover the Sun during a total solar eclipse. It's a delicate balance, a harmony that occurs nowhere else in our known universe. Now imagine the moon as a graceful ballerina, spinning on her own axis as she dances around the Earth. This spin, or rotation, happens once every 27.3 days, the same amount of time it takes for the moon to orbit Earth. This synchronicity, known as synchronous rotation, allows us to only ever see one side of the moon from our earthly vantage point. The moon's dance also causes the tides. As the moon orbits, its gravitational pull tugs at our planet, causing the water in our oceans to bulge outwards. In return, this creates 2 high tides and 2 low tides each day, a rhythm as predictable as the moon's orbit itself. But the moon's influence doesn't stop at our shores. Its gravitational pull also affects Earth's rotation, causing it to slow down. This interaction results in a slight increase in the length of our days, at a rate of about 1.7 milliseconds per century. It may not seem like much, but over the course of billions of years, it adds up. The moon's orbit, its dance around Earth, is a fundamental part of our planet's story. It shapes our tides, lengthens our days, and gives us the breathtaking spectacle of a total solar eclipse. It's a testament to the intricate and delicate balance of our solar system. Indeed, the moon's orbit is not just a mere coincidence, but a cosmic ballet choreographed by the laws of physics. The path of totality, a term as mesmerizing as the phenomenon it describes. This is the narrow corridor on Earth's surface, where viewers are treated to the full spectacle of a total solar eclipse. The moon, in its ceaseless orbit around our planet, dances its way between the Earth and the Sun, and for a brief period, it blots out the Sun's brilliance, casting a shadow that sweeps across the Earth. This is the path of totality, a path that can be as wide as 167 kilometers and as narrow as 1 kilometer. It's not just a shadow, but a darkened stage for one of the most theatrical performances in the cosmos. Totally, in essence, refers to the complete obscuration of the Sun's disk by the moon. This happens only during a total solar eclipse, and only to observers who are situated within the path of totality. Outside this path, observers will see only a partial eclipse, a celestial event remarkable in its own right, but lacking the full drama and spectacle of totality. The total solar eclipse is not just a breathtaking spectacle, but also an opportunity for scientists to study the Sun's elusive corona. This outermost layer of solar atmosphere is usually hidden by the sun's bright light. But during totality, when the moon completely covers the sun, the corona appears as a glowing halo. The path of totality for this eclipse will complete the Alpha-Omega symbol in the United States of America. A fascinating coincidence, a divine sign, or just the result of the moon's perfect orbit. Whatever your perspective, one thing is certain. Witnessing a total solar eclipse within the path of totality is an experience unlike any other. In the path of totality, day turns to night, and for a few moments, we witness one of nature's most awe-inspiring sights. This is a moment of unity, a moment when we all look up, not at our screens or at each other, but at the sky and the universe beyond. It's a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. This total solar eclipse is not just a visual treat, but a goldmine of scientific information. But how so? Let's dive into the fascinating world of celestial science. Total solar eclipses provide a unique opportunity to observe the sun's outer atmosphere, or corona. Ordinarily, the sun's brilliant surface, the photosphere, outshines the faint corona. But when the moon perfectly aligns itself between the Earth and the sun, it blocks out the photosphere, and voila, the corona becomes visible. This is a crucial moment for scientists as the corona is a hotbed of solar activity, and it's where solar flares and coronal mass ejections originate. These solar phenomena can have significant impacts on Earth, affecting our planet's magnetosphere, and even disrupting our satellite communication systems. The corona is also a bit of an astronomical conundrum. It's far hotter than the sun's surface, a fact that defies the laws of nature as we understand them. The temperature of the corona can reach up to a few million degrees, while the photosphere is a relatively cooler, at about 5,000 degrees Celsius. The reason for this temperature inversion is still a mystery, and eclipses offer a precious window to study this enigma. During an eclipse, scientists use specialized instruments to measure the corona's density, temperature, and magnetic fields. They also analyze the light spectrum from the corona to identify the types of ions present. This way, they can gain insights into the processes heating the corona and driving the solar wind. But the science of eclipses extends beyond the sun. Eclipses also allow for the precise measurement of the moon's distance from Earth and its orbital behavior, contributing to our understanding of gravitational dynamics in the solar system. In essence, each total solar eclipse is a unique scientific event, offering new data and fresh perspectives to astronomers. In the fleeting moments of an eclipse, we can gather invaluable insights into our sun's enigmatic corona. The alignment of celestial bodies can be a spectacle, but can it influence events on Earth? This question has been asked countless times, leading to a myriad of beliefs, some based on science, others on folklore. Let's delve into this. There's a common belief that earthquakes and severe weather are linked to the alignment of planets in our solar system relative to Earth. It's a compelling idea, isn't it? The alignment of planets causing shifts and changes on our own planet. But here's the thing. There's no scientific evidence to substantiate this belief. Planetary alignments, despite their grandeur, don't exert enough gravitational force to trigger earthquakes or affect weather patterns on Earth. Now let's talk about comets. Unlike planetary alignments, comets are suspected of causing earthquakes. This assertion, while intriguing, isn't fully accepted in the scientific community. The idea is that a comet's gravitational pull might trigger seismic activities, particularly the larger ones. But remember, this is merely a hypothesis and needs more evidence to be considered fact. In the context of our current celestial event, we have the majestic P-Ponds-Brooks Comet accompanying the solar eclipse. Could this duo produce strong tidal forces? It's a fascinating thought. But again, we're in the realm of hypothesis. Recent earthquakes and severe weather events around the world have indeed coincided with celestial happenings like solar eclipses and new moons. However, correlation doesn't necessarily imply causation. These earthly events could just as easily be attributed to the natural geologic and atmospheric processes of our planet. In the end, the celestial alignments we witness, like the upcoming total solar eclipse, provide us with a grand spectacle and a wealth of scientific data. They allow us to study our universe in unique ways and continue to fuel our curiosity about the cosmos. While celestial alignments make for a grand spectacle, their influence on earthly events remains a topic of ongoing exploration. So as we gaze upon this amazing eclipse, let's appreciate it for the cosmic ballet it is and continue our quest to understand the universe and our place within it. Earth, our home planet, has been experiencing a series of seismic activities lately. From the tranquil plains to the bustling cities, the ground beneath our feet has been anything but still. Earthquakes, these natural phenomena that shake our world, have been making headlines in recent months. Let's take a moment to revisit these seismic events. In April of 2024, the Philippines was rattled by a significant 7.6 magnitude earthquake. This powerful tremor brought to light the inherent risks associated with living on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a region known for its intense seismic and volcanic activity. Meanwhile, Japan, another country perched on the edge of this volatile region, wasn't spared from Earth's seismic restlessness. On New Year's Day of the same year, a powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 7.5 struck the nation, triggering tsunamis and reminding us of the interconnectedness of Earth's natural phenomena. The seismic activities didn't stop there. Taiwan also felt the Earth's might with a 7.5 magnitude earthquake, causing tsunamis that reverberated across the Pacific. These aftershocks, matching the strength of the initial quake, marked the strongest seismic activity in Taiwan in a quarter of a century. Even the United States, specifically its eastern coast, was not immune. New Jersey, for the first time in a century and a half, experienced a 4.8 magnitude earthquake in April 2024. This event, although not causing damages, was a stark reminder that seismic activities can occur anywhere, even in places where they are considered rare and infrequent. These seismic events, coupled with severe weather over the east coast of the United States, highlight the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. Yet amidst these natural phenomena, it's crucial to remember that preparedness is key. Understanding the science behind these events and how they interact can equip us with the knowledge to stay safe and mitigate the impacts of these natural occurrences. While these seismic activities remind us of Earth's dynamic nature, they also underscore the importance of preparedness. As we count down to the total solar eclipse, we also eagerly await the appearance of the P-Ponds-Brooks Comet. This celestial traveler, hailing from the farthest reaches of our solar system, will grace our skies, making the spectacle all the more extraordinary. The P-Ponds-Brooks Comet, named after the astronomers who discovered it, is a rare visitor. Its orbit brings it close to Earth only once every few centuries, and as serendipity would have it, its appearance coincides with the total solar eclipse of April 8, 2024. Now let's delve a little into the science behind this. Comets are icy bodies that, when heated by the sun, give off a glowing coma or envelope around their nucleus, creating a spectacular sight. The P-Ponds-Brooks Comet in particular has a large nucleus and a bright coma, making it visible even to the naked eye. And what makes this event even more special? The comet will be visible in the path of totality during the eclipse. This means that as the moon completely obscures the sun, the comet will shine brightly in the darkened sky. It's a rare celestial event that combines the beauty of a total solar eclipse with the majesty of a visible comet. So as we find ourselves on the brink of this remarkable event, we encourage everyone to look skywards and witness this cosmic ballet. Take a moment to marvel at the grandeur of the universe and our place within it. This is not just an astronomical event, it's a humbling reminder of our existence in this vast cosmos. As the curtain rises on this cosmic drama, we are not merely spectators, but partakers in a universal spectacle that might not happen again. Let's revel in the grandeur of the cosmos and remember we are all stardust. If you enjoy the content you see here on our channel, please like and subscribe. Until next time, stay elevated.